Hey guys, I'm Chef Nick. I'm founder of Niche Flavors Holdings. So today I'll be showing you how to make a really simple Korean rice ball recipe. So the most important thing in the Korean rice ball, of course, is the rice. Okay, so my choice of rice today will be this pumpkin veggie brown rice. Okay, so we've got a lovely pot here, alright? And we're gonna go 1 cup of this pumpkin rice. Okay, so we're just gonna do it 1 cup of water. Okay. We're just gonna put it in the rice cooker. Right now, I've already done one beforehand, okay? So this is how it looks like. So for this recipe, we're gonna start with the carrots first, okay? We're just gonna chop it up to really bite-sized and small pieces. Best way I like to cut cucumbers, cut it in half, and then go inside and just push it out. Now we're just gonna slice it up. So first of all, we're gonna go with the rice. We're gonna put it all inside this bowl. Another tip is, when you've just finished cooking the rice, don't straight away put it here and mix it. When the rice is still hot and you mix it all together, the rice is going to start to break down. It's going to become like a puree, like very sticky. We're going to add the cucumbers one side. We're going to add the carrots one side. The organic black sesame seeds. We're going to do with the macadamia trail nuts. Okay, I love nuts, so I'm going to put a little bit more of this. We're gonna have this mala salted egg seaweed crisp. Again, this is the secret, using the mala. Okay, just a little bit there. Okay, we've got some salted egg fish, so just gonna put a little bit there. The salted egg okra chips, and this is the one. Just a pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and we go about 2 tablespoons of this first draw soy sauce. Okay, now gloves on, let's just break all these crispy okra chips. Look at that, look at how it just crumbles. Now we're just gonna mix everything together, okay? We're just gonna press it and make it into rice balls. Because this pumpkin rice from Signature Market has a little bit of Japanese rice inside, Japanese sushi rice, so it's gonna stay its shape. Look at that. Okay, and there you have it. Korean rice balls made in less than 10 minutes. And if you like this Korean rice ball recipe and you want to see lots of more recipes from us, all you gotta do is hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share it, and I'll see you in the next one.